guys, today I have my Cole's Little Shop 2 collector's case, my Cole's Little Shop 2 shopping trolley, and my Cole's Little Shop 2 basket full of Cole's Little Shop 2 mini collectibles. Now it's time to open the mini collectibles and put them in the collector's case. Let's get started. Wow, it's shapes! Wow, we got doubles! I just got started and I already got some doubles. I want to open another one. Hopefully, it's not the same. Wow, we got Kleenex toilet paper. Wow, we got Mount Franklin lime water. Wow, we got Vegemite. Wow, we got apple crumble. Wow, we got coffee. Wow, we got garden peas. Wow, we got dynamo. I'm so lucky till now, I still only have one doubles. Wow, we got chocolate chip cookies. Whoa, we got doubles. We got another double. Wow, we got beans. We got another double. This is Bulla Thick and Cream. Wow, we got Breath Power Active. For our lucky last one, we hope it's not doubles. Wow! We got Colgate toothpaste. I opened all my collectibles. 4 out of 17 were doubles. Hopefully I can complete the set. Stay tuned because in my next video, I'm going to be opening up the Little Shop 2 shopping trolley. Thanks for watching. Hope you have enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and slap the bell so you never miss one of my brand new videos. Bye!